Spring is here, and let's talk about lawn equipment, specifically Ego battery-operated lawn equipment. Now, we've had Black & Decker, Cobalt, and other brands, and this company seems to be a step above. Now, they didn't pay us for this. We're not affiliated with them, but we really like their equipment. So we've purchased the trimmer, the lawnmower, the blower, and we're also looking at getting the hedge trimmer next. What's really cool about the mower is it's self-propelled and it folds up really, really easily. And it has enough life for us to do our 1/3 of an acre. You can pick up the Ego mower for about $400. And we got ours at Lowe's with a military 10% discount. So shop around for deals. I'm very lucky that I'm allergic to grass and my wife loves to do lawn work. She's doing a great job. Here's what's really crazy. They even sell a little mini bike that goes 28 miles per hour and it's $1,300 without the batteries, which is actually pretty reasonable. My wife just raved about their trimmer, which is so much better than the Black & Decker and Cobalt tools we had before. The quality of their equipment is really amazing, and the fast charging capabilities of their batteries. Now, these batteries will recharge in as quick as 30 minutes, but one thing you don't want to do is leave them in the device or in the charger. Once your batteries are charged, pull them out of the charger and set them aside. You can control the speed of the blower here with this little knob, and it runs for a very, very long time. Ego surprises me with how many cool accessories they have, including these really bright LED lights. Like I said, if you want to jump on the cordless bandwagon, I would stick with Ego. They seem to be the best in the business right now. I love the way this mower stows so easily. It just rolls right in the garage. Now, right now, I think Ego's having some good springtime sales. I believe they're including multiple batteries in their mowers. And like I said, if you guys have any questions about any other cool electric gadgets that you want me to review, let me know and I'll try to put something together. Just remember, with any battery, you want to keep them in a cool place. Don't leave them out in the sun, and take care of them.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.